Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from GoDaddy SEO setup and remove tracking scripts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from GoDaddy's SEO setup, start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the My Products section on your account dashboard. Locate the SEO or marketing category within your products. Click on Manage next to the SEO service you wish to withdraw from. Review the details of the SEO setup displayed on your screen. Find the option to cancel or withdraw from the service. Confirm your decision to cancel the SEO service when prompted. Proceed to remove any tracking scripts associated with the SEO setup. Access your website's content management system or hosting dashboard. Locate the section where scripts or code snippets are stored. Identify the specific tracking scripts added by GoDaddy. Highlight and delete these tracking scripts from the code. Save your changes to ensure the scripts are permanently removed. Verify the removal by checking your website's source code. Use a site audit tool to ensure no tracking scripts are left behind. Monitor your website for any issues after the removal process. If needed, consult GoDaddy's customer support for further assistance. You have successfully withdrawn from GoDaddy's SEO setup and removed all tracking scripts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.